guys, so today's a different kind of video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how NVIDIA works. So I've spoke about it in a video before, but I've never actually shown how it works. So this is the laptop I'm going to be showing you guys on. Let me just get onto my desktop.
Microsoft Edge tab, Microsoft Edge tab. Recycle.
So as you guys can see, it's just my desktop. But if I press
Start window. Search window.
W for Word,
Press right to switch media.
then if I just put you guys down a second,
New grouping.
then
Lists. Microsoft Word document multi-line.
you guys are going to need to stay right there. This is going to be a bit difficult because I'm trying to see if I can show you guys how I do touch typing on my laptop, but it's probably not going to work very
Microsoft
well.
dialog spelling and grammar check is complete.
Oh dear. I've now started off spelling and grammar check, guys. This is not going well. Okay, guys, so I'm probably just going to have to tell you guys what I'm doing because I am doing this channel for VI people anyway, so you guys can just go there. But what I've got is my left pinky on A, and then my left hand goes all the way down to where my index finger is on F, and then there's two, G and H is missed out, and then J, K, L and semicolon is covered by my right hand, so I could type hi.
I.
U.
Yonch.
Oh,
Spec J.
sorry guys.
UB. Spec B.
You guys. How are you
Boys. Doing.
And if you're wondering how, because obviously I'm a blind laptop user, so as you guys can see there, I've just written hi. How?
Are you guys, how are you boys doing? Are you guys, how are you boys doing?
It doesn't really say anything specific, but there we go. It's okay. But guys, let me know if you guys do touch typing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.